So today we're going to be making a summer fruit salad. This is something good to keep the kids out of your refrigerator, your pantry, your snacks, your cookies, all of that. So you're just going to need some watermelon, blueberries, strawberries, kiwi, grapes, and I don't have pictured here the dragon fruit that I used. So you want to go ahead and get your fruit all washed up. Just add a little bit of baking soda, then add some vinegar, and just like the 7th grade science project, you have a volcano on your hands. You're going to rinse that off with cool water. Please don't boil your fruit with hot water. Then you're going to go ahead and drain that and give it another good rinse just to make sure that you get all the baking soda off, because you don't want the baking soda flavor on there, obviously. And then you're going to go ahead and chop up your watermelon. I had cut the watermelon in half, and then in half again, and then those pretty little triangles, and just cube them. They weren't anything special. I mean, they don't have to be unless you're trying to do like a dinner party and you want some shapes or something. Gonna go ahead and cut up the kiwis. I just slice off each end and then cut the little hairy skin off of it, and then cut those in circles and then cut them in half again, if that makes sense. You can watch what I'm saying if it doesn't make sense with me narrating over it. But you just want to drop those down inside of your watermelon bowl. Once you get your kiwi added, you want to go ahead and get ready to cut up your strawberries. These are really big, so once I sliced the tip of them off, I went ahead and cut them in threes and then cut them down into another half and then another half because they were really big. If they're smaller, you don't have to cut them that small, obviously. The grapes are subjective. I know some people are like, why is she cutting grapes in half? I have small kids. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I think it looks pretty. Plus, I don't want anybody to choke on it. So you're going to go ahead and add your blueberries, give that a nice little good mix there. And then let's get ready to cut our dragon fruit. So how I cut dragon fruit is I always cut them in half, and then I just make a little slit down in each side of the skin, and then go ahead and peel each outer side. It's really easy to peel when you cut them like that. So once the skin is off, you want to go ahead and chop the end off. I don't know if you want to eat that or not. I don't. It looks hard to me. And then you're going to go ahead and chop that up in nice little dices just so it can look pretty. At this point, we're just making this look pretty because dragon fruit, honestly, to me, it doesn't have a flavor, but it's pretty. So there's that. You want to go ahead and add that to your bowl. Give that another mix. Look how good and fresh that looks. You're going to add a little bit of lime juice over top of this just for freshness. And then to be extra, going to drizzle this in some honey because, let's be real, it tastes good. So here you have it, your summer fruit salad. Enjoy, guys.